Welcome back sa aking video. Ito po ay ang class record and learner monitoring notebook for the school year 2026 to 2027. So dito po, pwede po natin dyan ilagay sa cover yung inyong picture, yung name at iba pang information na gusto nyo. Next po, dito po sa first page ay ang title page with the basic information ng teacher and ng school, yung preface, at ito naman po ang table of contents. Ang laman po nito ay DepEd School Calendar for 2026 to 2027, contact list and password section, learner profile, list of transferees, class officers, homeroom PTA officers, reading profile for beginning, middle, and end of school year, numeracy profile, beginning, middle, and end of school year, nutritional status for beginning, middle, and end of school year, deworming and vaccination record, attendance records from June 2026 to April 2027, class records for first, second, and third term, percentage breakdown by component for grades 1 to 12, key awards for learners based from DepEd Order Number 36, Series of 2016, list of oral duties, list of Project 6B's pupils, learners at risk of dropping out or LARDO, list of SBFP beneficiaries, list of 4Ps and IPs members, parents directory, and homeroom PTA attendance and minutes of meeting for first term, second to third term. So ito po yung ating learner profile. Up to 60 po yan. Next po, list of transferees. Nilagay ko na rin po dito yung credentials or documents na kinakailangan nilang dala or masubmit sa school na pagtatransferan. Ito na po yung ating 3-term school calendar in basic education for the school year 2026 to 2027. Next po, contact list and password section. Class officers for school year 2026 to 2027. Homeroom PTA officers, reading profile. Dito po sa reading profile, meron na po tayo ditong nakalagay na beginning, middle, and end of school year. Tapos dito po sa type of assessment, ilalagay po natin dyan kung anong klaseng assessment yung kinandak natin. Halimbawa, PhilErie or CRLA. Next po, numeracy profile. Ilalagay din po natin dyan kung anong klaseng assessment yung binigay natin for beginning, middle, end of school year. Ito naman po ay ang nutritional status for beginning, middle, and end of school year. Next po ay ang deworming and vaccination record. Tapos ito po yung attendance record. So ito pong attendance na record, binase ko din po ito sa SF2 natin sa DepEd. Nirevise ko lang po siya, sinimplify ko na lang. Ito po ay simula June 2026 hanggang April 2027. Ito po, April 2027. Lahat po ng form dito, up to 50 po yan, good for 50 pupils. Ito naman po yung class record natin for first term. So, yung class record po natin na to, binis ko din po ito sa ating e-class record. Sinimplify ko lang. So, nandito yung written works, performance task, and term exam. Ilalagay nyo lang po dito sa blank na percentage yung kanilang percent. Halimbawa, sa written works, kung ilang percent yung nakalaan para sa bawat subject. Sa bawat term po, meron itong 12 na class record forms. Kaya kung meron po kayong 12 subjects sa bawat term, kasya po dito. Ito naman po ang sa second term. At ito naman po yung third term. Bawat term po ay may 12 na class record forms. Ito naman po ay ang percentage breakdown by component from grades 1 to 12. Halimbawa, sa subject na English, nakalaan na po dito, nakalagay dito kung ilang percent yung sa written work, sa performance task, at sa exam. Kaya ilalagay nyo na lang po dito sa class record yung percentage. Next po ay ang Key Awards for Learners. Based po ito sa DepEd Order No. 36 Series of 2016. Dito po nakalagay yung mga awards na pwede nating ibigay sa mga pupils. Ito naman po ay ang Learners at Risk of Dropping Out or LARDO. Next po, List of Oral Duties. List of Project 6B's pupils. List of School-Based Feeding Program beneficiaries, SBFP beneficiaries. Ito naman po ay ang list of 4Ps and IPs members. Meron din po tayo ditong Parents Directory. At meron din po tayong Homeroom PTA meeting attendance and minutes of the meeting. So ito po, yung attendance and minutes, isang set po yan. Meron po tayo ditong 3 set. Isang set po bawat term. Kaya meron po tayo ditong 3 set para sa first, second, and third term. Kung gusto niyo pong mag-order, message niyo po ako sa aking FB, Vina Sam. Doon po ako active. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!